What is a cap table, and why is it crucial for founders? Imagine trying to navigate a maze without a map. That's what managing ownership looks like without a cap table. It's a simple chart that shows who owns what in a company. It lists founders, investors, and employees, and details their shares or ownership percentages. It also tracks how ownership changes over time, like when new funding rounds happen or stock options are granted. For founders, having a clear cap table is like having a GPS for their company's ownership. It helps them see exactly how much of the company they own and how that changes as they grow. When they seek funding from venture capital firms or growth equity investors, a well-maintained cap table makes negotiations smoother. Investors want to see a transparent picture of ownership before they commit their money. It shows how much equity they will get and how their investment might dilute existing ownership. A cap table also helps founders keep control. As new investors come in or shares are issued to employees, founders can see how their ownership stake shifts. This helps them plan to stay in charge of the company's direction. When the company grows, the cap table becomes more complex. It might include different classes of shares, convertible notes, or stock options for employees. Founders use the cap table to manage these elements and decide when to issue new shares or create stock option pools. Managing employee equity is another key reason. The cap table helps allocate stock options to attract and keep talented team members. It shows how many shares are available for new hires and how issuing options impacts overall ownership. Keeping the cap table accurate also ensures legal compliance and makes due diligence easier during fundraising or potential acquisitions. Beyond record keeping, the cap table is a strategic tool. It supports decisions about issuing new equity, approving shareholder actions, or calculating potential returns during liquidity events like sales or initial public offerings. For founders, starting early and updating the cap table regularly is essential. Using dedicated software can help keep it accurate and provide real-time insights into ownership and dilution. In short, a cap table is a core document for founders aiming to network, raise investment, and manage ownership effectively. It helps them understand and communicate ownership clearly, plan for growth, and build trust with investors and team members.